Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to reset Word to default settings Windows 11. The first thing you will do is enter Regedit in the search box. Click on the registry editor and then on Yes to access. After that, go to the path that you see on the screen. You must go to the Office folder and then access the used version. There, select the Word folder, right-click and select Delete. It will be necessary to confirm this by clicking Yes. Now open Word from the search box to see that it has been reset. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.